Hello friends. Are you interested in currency trading market? Then why you are thinking? We are there for you. Learning Power Education System. Learning Power has bring information and education for currency trading market, especially for you. In your city, in your preferable language, with our experienced trainees team. That is absolutely free for you. Learning Power is certified by ISO 9001 2015 and also registered in Government of India Startup India project. Learning Power has given training to total 13,000 trainers till date, and we have successfully brought up 7,000 traders in the market now. The friends, don't think so much. Come and join us. Please contact on below contact details and start for your successful and wealthy life with us. Please note, people begin to become successful the minute they decide to be. So don't think so much. Please come and join us.